Sup internet friends, today I'm going to be duping another product for you. I am going to be showing you how you can make this beautiful XOBeauty Limerence shade out of none other than the XO and BH Cosmetics palette. So if you want to see how to dupe this with this, then just keep watching. So just to update you guys, in case you didn't know, this is actually my 18 and 2018 Project Pan palette. There's 18 shades in total here, 9 lipsticks, 9 eyeshadows, so I thought it was a clever way to try and use up a palette in my collection, and so far so good. So you're going to see a little bit of spoiler alert just because I'm going to be showing you some of the lipstick shades, but hopefully there will be some more progress then by the next time you see one of my 18 and 2018 updates. So to get started, I'm going to put Limerence on one half of my lips. This is a beautiful kind of orangey red tone. You can get these on XOBeauty's website for, I think it is $26 New Zealand, which comes out to about $23 Canadian. There is no free shipping on these no matter how much you buy. So personally, I like to save it and buy all of them at one time, so it's just kind of one flat shipping rate. So let's just go in with this on this half of my face. I do have to say, I absolutely love the smell of these products. It's almost like a vanilla caramel kind of scent. Same though as the last dupe video I made, these bullets do get dirty really fast because you can pretty much see every single fingerprint that you put all over them. And that's really the only negative I have to say about that product. This one applies really smoothly, really creamy. It's not as patchy as Wabi Sabi. I think Wabi Sabi was the only one that I wasn't 100% happy with in the XOBeauty range so far. Absolutely love these, and I love this color too. It's the only one like it in my collection, so that's super exciting. So next I'm just going to go in with the BH Cosmetics and XO collaboration palette, and we are going to go straight in with this shade here. And there you have it. So we have Limerence on the one side, and then we have this shade here on this side. So I'm going to zoom you in so you guys can get a little bit of a closer look. So to me, again, the biggest difference between these two shades is that this is more of a matte kind of finish, where this one over here is definitely a glossier, buttery kind of finish. However, personally, this product here does not last long. You are going to have to reapply it consistently throughout the day, whereas the mattes from the XOBeauty line do tend to last quite a bit longer. I find that it's also a little less messy because this one here can tend to smudge or budge on pretty much anything and everything that you do, where the mattes do tend to stay in place. Hey internet friends, so I thought I'd just jump on here really quickly to kind of give you an update. During the video I was telling you about how the BH Cosmetics palette, the colors doesn't tend to last and you're going to have to reapply it consistently. It's only been about a half hour, 45 minutes since I filmed that video. Actually, I'm pretty sure it's more closer to a half hour, not 45 minutes, but I wanted you to see the color difference. So as you can see, like this one is still going strong, it's still opaque, still vibrant, where this one doesn't even look like the same color anymore. Let me bring you closer. Like, it's clear as day. Like this one lasts, this one doesn't. So if this is a color that you were wearing out and you were trying to keep that opaque kind of reddy orange color, you'd have to reapply already, and it's only been a half hour. I haven't eaten anything, I haven't drinking anything. All I've done is just, I don't know, I barely even talked. I'm home alone right now, so I don't really have anyone to converse with, so I haven't really done anything. This is just kind of normal wear and tear, and I should have left it for the video, but I also wiped it off the side of my face already too. So I think I went to pull a hair out of my face and the hair had some on it and it dragged it across my skin. So I love Shannon, I love the XOBeauty line. I personally would pick the XOBeauty, but if you're someone who's looking maybe to test out how these sort of shades look on you, then the BH Cosmetics palette is definitely a great place to start. Just know that they're not gonna last and they are a little bit messier. And when I say messy, I just don't mean on your face, on your lips. It's also quite messy with the palette itself. Like it pretty much gets kind of all over the packaging. I've had to clean this up with rubbing alcohol on here just to make it look a little presentable for this video. So just keep in mind that these are a bit messy. However, it is a great value if you're looking on just trying out different lipstick shades. That is my dupe for you this week, and I will check in with you guys next time. I hope your end of winter or end of summer is going well, and I will see you later. Bye guys.